Branch sliding system at Shastra. So there are three chances to upgrade the branch. So what is sliding? Sliding is nothing but upgrading the seats whenever the seats become vacant. So this is known as sliding. So we will discuss the three types of sliding system in SASTRA University. The first sliding. Sliding during admission. This is the first sliding. Once after the branch allocated for you, if you pay the fees, it will automatically upgrade into the hired branch what you have preferred in your preference order. We will discuss all these things in our upcoming videos. What is this preference order and all these things. So before that, you want to know what is the things available in Shastra admission process. The second sliding immediately after joining the university. So limited vacancies will be there and less upgradations will be there. But this is also the available sliding process in Shastra. Third sliding after first year. So before third semester starts, based on the CGPA, usually 8.5 above or 8 above CGPA is required. So based on the available seats, vacant seats, so the sliding will be happen. They will be selecting three branches, three preferred branches. So whichever is possible in the sliding, then the sliding will happen there. So this is the sliding which is after the first year.